Welcome back to CodeChef. Imagine telling your computer about your age, a price, a grade, or whether something is true or false. How does Java store all these different kinds of information? That's where primitive data types come in. Think of primitive data types like containers in a kitchen. A small jar for sugar cubes, a bigger jar for rice, one container for a single fruit, and even a box labeled yes or no. Each container can hold only one type of thing, keeping everything organized. In Java, primitive types are the simplest way of storing data. There are 8 of them: byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, and boolean. They allow Java to efficiently store numbers, decimals, single characters, and true or false values. Here's a simple example using only what we've learned. Int age equals 21, double price equals 99.99, char grade equals A, boolean is Java fun equals true. The first line stores 21 as a number, the second stores 99.99 as a decimal, the third keeps the character A, and the fourth stores the value true. When we print them, the output is 21, 99.99, A, true. A few quick tips. Use int for most whole numbers, use double for decimals, remember char uses single quotes, and boolean is always either true or false. Now it's your turn. Try the beginner-friendly CodeChef problem called Print Your Variables, where you declare variables of different types and print their values. Today you learned that primitive data types are Java's building blocks, storing numbers, decimals, characters, and true or false values. Code, debug, repeat, build mastery with CodeChef.